In this video, I'll show you how to set app limits for better screen time management. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and click on Screen Time. Right here at the top, you're going to be able to see your daily average. So that means the time that you're spending on your phone every single day. What you're going to do is click right here on App Limits, and then you're going to click on Add a Limit. Then you're able to pick which categories you want to limit per day. So let's say I want to limit my social media usage. So I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to select the apps that I want to limit. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Next, and then you're going to pick your daily time limit. If you want to customize each day, so let's say you maybe want to use those apps a little bit more during the weekend, you can also do that by clicking at the bottom, and you can edit that as well. Once you're done, you're going to click on Add. And now whenever you try to open those apps and you have already reached your limit, this is the message that your iPhone is going to show you. Hope that helps.